बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? ठीक ठाक हैं? Today, me and Ayat, we are super excited to show something really interesting and so educational. What is it, Ayat?
It's our
Salamat! Yay! It's Salamat for the kids, and Ayat has been super duper excited. Why? Because we are introducing, as in Hijabis is introducing Salamat for the kids.
and it will come on hijabis very soon.
Inshallah, it's going to be available on our website and it's going to be available on our outlet in Lahore. So we are really super excited, and I need to share a little sad news, and the sad news is that due to corona situation in the world, we are closing down our Karachi outlet, and now we will only have one outlet in Lahore, and inshallah we'll be delivering worldwide, nationwide and internationally through our website, which is www.hijabease.com. At the same time, you can WhatsApp us on 0300 2200 003. Inshallah, very soon we'll be opening a lot of new outlets. Let this COVID-19 settle down.
I'm going to tell you a great news that we're going to open our hijabis in UK and US, inshallah.
Inshallah, inshallah. But today we are introducing Salamat. This is just amazing. If you can just have a look, we are going to show you all the features they have right here. 36 active touch sensitive keys, 7 speaking languages. So the speaking languages are English, French, Arabic, Urdu, Malaysian, Turkish and Indonesian. Learn about wudu, azan, surah, dua, salah times and salah position. It's
Free 12
amazing. 12.
Free 12 pages prayer activity book.
Wow, are you excited about that?
And what
It's-
look, waterproof.
Yes, it's waterproof. It's
If we
interesting.
put water in it, it will.
Yani, if it rains and you're outside somewhere, you can easily pray. No problem. Fire resistant material. इसको आग भी नहीं लगेगी.
Teach your children the beauty of Salah in a fun, easy and
Interactive way. Touch and play. Play when you stand and perform salah. Are you excited to open it? Let's open it, Ayat. I can't wait.
And I also saw we have some books too. One is an activity book. Let's see.
Let's see. Woo! We have these 3 books. So
These are
it's
for parents. Can
Actually, it's
you
written
see?
for parents.
For parents.
Okay, let me
And,
show you. Let's show it to them.
Okay.
It's for parents. Success with Salamat.
And this is just a usual book to see the instructions.
It's a manual book. It's a manual book.
And
Right.
then this is a
Activity. Super
book.
excited for activity
Yeah,
books. So
I'm
this
super excited for this activity book. I love
Yeah.
activity books because they're so attractive and
you get to learn so much, baby.
Yeah.
Oh
okay.
yes.
Whoa,
So
and this is the Salah.
This is the Salamat.
Okay.
Let us show it like this. It looks like
Oh,
this.
guys, I love the special thing about that they tell where's the Khana Kaaba and where we put our feet, our knees, and our hands and our nose.
And our nose and our sajda. This is where we do sajda. Dawn, noon.
Afternoon, sunset, and night.
These are the times.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الله أكبر.
Right now I'm going to show you how to change the languages. So there's an earth button like this earth. So if we press, all the languages come.
English. العربية. Français. Bahasa Indonesia. Rakyat Malaysia. Turkchet. Urdu.
Right.
वुज़ू नमाज से पहले हमारी सफाई करने का तरीका है. वुजू करने से पहले हमें लाजमी बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़नी चाहिए। अल्लाहुम्मा रब्ब हादिहि दावति ताम्मा।
If you want this for your kids, you can definitely order online. This Salah mat is available on our website. So if you want to order, once again, you can contact us on 0300 2200 003, or you can visit our website, which is www.hijabis.com.
But
But.
you need to subscribe, like, and share this video.
So you need to press the bell icon so that you don't miss the,
Any
any video,
Yeah.
upcoming videos, because very soon after Ayat is going to do some really nice different hijabs for you all. So that's all for today. I hope you like this prayer salah mat. It's beautiful. It's a must-have for every child in your house.
Yeah.
Wear hijabis with style and smile on your face. I'd smile. I'd nice smile. I'd cute smile. I'd Paru Ali smile. The smile that you give. Aww. Yeah, that's the best cute smile. Anyway, take care. Look after yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bye. Love you all. Our house is really big so that we can play goggle like
Goggle? Goggle? What is a goggle? We have a big house so we can goggle. We can goggle anyway. So much fun.
So I just don't get Fajr wake up because I am not that Fajr person. मेरा मतलब है कि मैं फजर पे उठती नहीं हूँ. I could do it, so yeah.